Oh my God. Done. He's Yes. It's hot. There he is. Get him. Get him. There's the Corey. Hi. What's up, guys? Weekly update. So, well, I'll turn the fan off, John. God, it's hot, and I like my fan. My chicharrones are getting sweaty. Anyways, all right, let's go over the new update. We didn't do one last week because John was gone on vacation again. So, look at that. The cab is on, not permanently. We have taken it off and on about 20 times. Otherwise, Troy just came by earlier today. We got this whole thing 3D scanned because the cab is sitting where we want it. We made a ton of trimming on the inside. So we got everything scanned. It's in place. Troy helped us with that today. Thank you to Troy Barker Designs, Quicksaw Racing, Vantage. He's got too many businesses. You'll see it in the podcast. We talk about all of them. Everything is here. I'm happy. You can check out this piece. These aren't like final bolted in, but they are pinned in. This is our steering system. Look at that. Everything cycles so good and it fits amazing. I'm very happy with that. The next piece that we will do besides interior panels, but while we're waiting for interior panels to get designed, we will be doing the steering box. So the steering box is the next thing. We'll do our drop-in pin. Jeff's got a few more welds to make. We did not do the door tubes yet. I wanted to make sure the cab got on there. Door tubes are not anything that have to be in a certain place right now, so we can kind of fudge a few little things here and there if we wanted for clearance. Otherwise, that will be the next piece. The engine, we're working on the mid plate and the motor mounts. We'll get that in. We got the Holley intake that's sitting over there. We still got to get injectors and fuel rails from Holley. I'm just trying to decide on what size injectors I want because we're going to try and pump a little bit more power out of this thing. I'd ideally like to be sitting around 700 horse, and I think stock with whatever tune that they used was 615 horse. Not very sure. It's about 700 torque. I'd like to get it up around 800s on torque and 700 on horsepower. We do have which I do want to give a shout out to Charlie at Power Steering Solutions. That guy has been super helpful, very great to work with. He sent us some dummy models, some step files of the pump, pulley hub, and certain things like that, which is a huge help for us because that's just one less thing that I have to 3D scan, reverse engineer, make it a model. It's very helpful, and Charlie's been very awesome. So shout out to Power Steering Solutions. I'll be a lifetime customer with them. I will try to use them on everything on our builds. He's been a super great guy. So thank you, Charlie. We got all that stuff done. We'll come over here. You can see Jeff doing things. Hi, Jeff. This is our axle housing. We do have the one from Jason Hurd, but to save time and money, we have this one that we did from Baja Customs. I wasn't sure if this axle housing is going to work yet because I didn't know where it was in relation with the upper links. Now that Jason sent us, I was able to overlay this and see it. So these upper links are more than sufficient. They are almost identical to what we need. And luckily we did not already have the lower link mounts on it, which that was the one thing that changed drastically. It went from being up on top or on the front face of it to drop down. Simple fix. We already got that is done. We have it modeled. We just got to make a fixture for it and everything like that. We have the Mitch third member down here. This big giant hunker is all wrapped up, but we're just overlaying it, kind of seeing where we're going to need to like trim a few pieces. I know with this one, we'll have to make 2 different bolt holes because some things move. Just getting that thing cleaned up and ready. That way we can get the axle housing on. One cool thing, which you guys don't know yet, is I'm very excited about. So instead of us building the trailing arms that we had, which is 60-inch trailing arms, I was able to send our dimensions over to Mitch. Alan was all for it, and I'm super excited. We are going to run in Mitch Made's lower billet trailing arms for this. Very excited with that. I love billet. Billet, it is going to look so sick hanging down on the bottom side of the truck. Mitch's stuff is obviously spectacular equipment, and everything he does is just beautiful work. So I gave him all the dimensions. He just ordered the material. In the next month or so, we will get those trailing arms from him, which is great. Very strong, very precise. That's the great thing about billet is you don't have any weld to worry about. You're heating, shrinking, warping. Very excited. We got the fiberglass out. We're starting to kind of like look at things, seeing where things are going to live, what we need to fudge. But enough about the F100. I'll talk about this little car over here. Sorry, the shop's a little messy on this side. Just ignore it. We have Josh Woods' daughter's 570/RS1. We built this car for Josh a year and a half ago, probably, I would say. This is an insane car, and it is for sale. I'll give a few details about it. It's got Lone Star suspension on it. This is a 570 somewhat chassis. It has still the stock square tube frame and the pickup points. Everything's been reinforced. We converted this thing to a single seater. It has RS1 plastics on it. 2X Motorsports does a lot of the engine work, clutching, a bunch of stuff. And if anybody knows 2X, they are the guys to go to for these type of cars and more. So Dave over at 2X, they're awesome. And then I believe Connor, the whole Maxwell family, they're great people. Their son actually does the wraps for all our vehicles. And we'll be doing the wrap on the F100. But this thing, let's see if John can get inside here. It might be a little too dark for you guys. Custom dash, everything like that. You can see custom driveline tunnel, beautiful wiring done on this. This is a killer car, and it is actually a two-time champion car. She has, I don't honestly think this, Olivia has lost a race in this car. It had a built engine in it, built to everything you could do. They ended up blowing it up, throw a stock one in it, and she's still just dominating this car. This is a great car. It is for sale. $17,000 is what they're asking, which I'm kind of surprised because that's pretty low for this car. There's an insane amount of work in this. So if you guys are in the market and you want a very capable, very winning car, hit up Josh Woods or message me and I can get you in contact with Josh. It is on the market. His daughter's outgrowing it and she's going to be moving up to the big boy cars. I think they're actually going to go to a real RS1 and start moving into the desert. This is more of a short course style car. Easily can be converted to do full-blown desert, but there's just not a lot of class for this or desert racing. So short course is kind of where kids do stuff like core, champ off-road, things like that. This thing's for sale. It's CAD modeled, everything like that. So if you guys mess something up, we can fix it for you. Otherwise, I think that's everything that we have. Jeff, you have anything to say? Talk loud. Hey.
I build.
Jeff's making side that. I don't know what it is.
It's a bedside.
No, it's a bedside.
It's a bedside.
Man, he gets so angry.
I can't read.
I can't read.
You told me you would teach me to read.
So Jeff is making things for his Toyota. I think that's all we have for you guys. Very excited for this next few weeks. This truck is coming out awesome. We're doing really good on schedule, so I cannot really complain. I keep saying so a lot. It's a very bad habit of mine. I'm special needs. What are you going to say, Jeff?
Like and subscribe. Comment at the bottom of the video. Share this with your friends.
Like and subscribe. What Jeff said. Don't know if you heard him. You probably did. Talks loud. Otherwise, you will see episode 3 with Troy Barker for our podcast, and Quick Saw Racing will be whenever John decides to upload the video. Not really sure. Could be next week, could be the week after. I don't know. I'm not the media guy.
I am going on vacation again.
He's going on vacation again.
Bahamas.
Now he's going to the Bahamas. You know what? Take us on vacation, Troy. Or Troy. John.
I can fit in a suitcase.
Yeah, Jeff can fit in a suitcase. We'll see you guys later.